Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the letter X. But first of all, we have to remember our brains, okay? This one is the meta thinking. That one is the very good creating. This one is the realizing. There we have the linking. And that one is the analyzing. Well done. Now, first we have to practice our sounds. We start with S. Mm. A, I, O, A, N, G, E, S, R, W, L, V, L, J. And now our tricky words. The, go, to, I, know. Now you read the purple one, purple, and the pink words, all right? One sunny day took beach. They building sandcastles. Getting sea. Were playing. Saw some stones. We follow them, said. Wonder where they, said. They hopped. Stones. There are 6 stones, said. X, 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 x. Stones. Them. Cave. We, said Sam. Yes, said. Inside mysterious cave found bottle with something inside. Opened carefully. Said X marks spot. Said must be treasure. This is how we write it. Criss cross. Very good. Now, of course, they found with the map a message in the bottle. Now we have to think what this piece of paper says. Now, what animal is this one? This is a, very good, fox. Think about how we spell fox. Ox. Very good. Next one. What number is this? Is this 9? Sorry. 6. E. X. Well done. And that one? You remember that car, what it is? You know that? It's a taxi. T. A. X. E. And the next one, do you remember this week when you made a Play-Doh in a bowl? You had to mix it, right? E. X. Well done. You think of a name for that boy. This boy, is it Sid? No. Maybe it's Max? X. Max. Oh, what do we have to do when something is broken? We have to fix it. Very good. E. X. Well done. And this sign we all remember, yeah? When we have to go outside, we go outside through the exit. Very well done. X. E. T. Exit. Now, finish our reading. See, we find treasure, said. They followed map, found the X. They began. Oh my word, look what they found. They found a big box. Wow, said. Can't believe we found some treasure. There are teacups. Teapot, said. Let's show Dad, said. Make lovely tea. So today we have learned X, and I hoped you used quite a few of your brains. Take care.